Please start, Mahoday.
Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvighram Guruve Deva Sarvako Kaleshu Sarvada.
Your video and voice is breaking, Mahoday.
That's the maximum, sweetheart.
Okay, please go ahead.
Can I keep it closer? Is
It's
this
okay. Go ahead. Go ahead. Please go ahead. It's fine.
Namas Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupine Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. Om Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam
Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti.
Sarve Namaskara.
धन्यवादः महोदय. अस्तु. Remove slide. Astu, let us begin. Does anybody have questions from the last class? No? Shall we start a new topic today? Okay. All right. So before we do that, let us quickly review what we covered in the last class. Can everybody see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. And can everybody hear me okay?
Yes.
Okay. So we studied about Kasya in Ekavachana, Bahuvachana, and also the question form. So Vijay Menon Mahodaya, what is Kasya?
Kasya means whose. Whose.
So without looking, do you remember what it would be in Pumlinga Ekavachana? Let us say Ramaha.
Ramasya.
Ramasya. Bahuvachane?
Ramayan. No, not Yan. Yam.
Ramanam.
Ramanam, sorry.
So Hemanti Mahoday, without looking, Krishnaha.
Krishnasya Krishnanam.
Krishnasya Krishnanam. Uttamam. Sumitra Mahoday, Shivaha.
Namaste Mahoday.
Shivaha.
Shivasya Shivanam.
Shivasya Shivanam. Astu. Madhuri Mahoday, Prashna. What is the Prashna form that we studied for Pumlinga?
Kasya.
Bahuvachanam?
Tesham.
Kasya Tesham. Uttamam. Now let's look at Srilinga. Sri Vidya Mahoday, Lata. If it is Lata.
Latayaha. Latayaha or
Latanam.
Latanam.
Usha Mahoday, Nadi. You are please unmute yourself.
Nadyaha Nadyam.
Nadinam.
Nadina. Yeah.
Nadina. Just add nam, nam, nam. And sometimes it becomes nam because of nat one. This one is very easy. Just add nam, nam, nam. So even in Pullinga also it's the same thing. Krishna nam, Deva nam, Surya nam, Shiva nam. Strilinga also Lata nam, Sita nam, Janani nam, Nadi nam, etc. First, Chaitra Mahoday. What are the Prashna forms without looking? For Strilinga.
Kasam, then kasyaha.
एकवचने कस्याः बहुवचने कासाम् विराज महोदय नपुंसकलिंग let us say नक्षत्रम
नक्षत्रस्य नक्षत्राणाम्
नक्षत्राणाम् नक्षत्रस्य नक्षत्राणाम्. So we saw that the napumsakalinga forms are the same as pumlinga forms. Sandeep Mahodaya, what are the question forms? Prashna Rupam for Napumsakalinga.
Same as Pullinga, Kasya and Kesham.
Kasya and Kesham. Uttamam. Any questions on this subject? Okay. If there are no questions, we'll start a new topic. So we saw for Rama Shabda, for example, we saw Ramaha. And then when it became Karta, we saw it became Ramam. And then we studied Rame, in Rama, on Rama. What else did we study? In last class, we studied Ramasya, Rama, of Rama. So today we are going to study by somebody or by something or with something. So that form is called Ena. So if you want to specify something that happens with somebody or with something or by somebody or by something, that is the Ena form. So let us look at some examples. As always, let's start with Pumlinga Ekvachana. So in the past, we studied Balika Khadati. Balika Bhojanam Khadati. But we never studied how she eats. We just said she eats, or we said she eats rice or chapati or whatever. So now let us see how to say how she eats. What is the method she uses? So if she eats with a spoon, we will say Balika Chamasena Khadati. Ena, that ena ending will come. Why Chamasena? Because Chamasaha is a Pumlinga Shabda. So Chamasaha becomes Chamasena. Bhagya Mahoday, if she eats with a hand, can you guess what we would have said?
Add anything here?
Yeah.
Like Balika Chamasena Bhojanam Kadati.
So if she, instead of with Chamasaha, if she eats with a hand, Balika eats with a hand. Hastena.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Hastena. So let's look at another example. Janani Deepena Pujayati. So we know Deepaha is Akaranta Pumlinga. So with Deepa or by Deepa. So mother does puja with Deepa. Same way, Shikshakaha Sudha Khandena Likhati. So we studied Shikshakaha Likhati. Or Balakaha Abhyasam Likhati. We never said how. So the how is, one example is Sudha Khandena. What is Sudha Khandaha?
Chalk piece.
Chalk. Chalk piece.
White chalk piece. So Shikshakaha Sudha Khandena Likhati. So what is the pattern here? Chamasaha becomes Chamasena. Deepaha becomes Deepena. Sudhakhandaha becomes Sudhakhandena. So the Visarga goes and we add Ena. So the Visarga in Chamasaha goes, add Chamasa plus Ena, Chamasena. Deepaha, Deepena. Sudhakhandaha, Sudhakhandena. Here?
It's like Kaha became Cain, so Chamasaha became Chamasen, like that.
Chamasena.
Chamasena.
Satyam. So are we ready to do an exercise, or does anybody need a little more? Yes.
What should be with the by? For with you have shown examples for the girl eats with spoon. For what's the what would be the by? Because the Kena denotes for stands for with or by.
Correct. So the form will be Ena only. The Visarga goes, and the ending will be Ena only. We will look at examples of by. I will tell you a very popular example that I think most of you know. We will come to that in 1 second. Let us finish this up one. So same thing like last time. This has all the karta. This box has all the words that will take the Ena form, and this is the Kriya Pada. So we have to match. Narayanan Mahodaya, please start us off. Balika.
Balika hastena tadayati.
Balika hastena tadayati. What does that mean?
She hits.
She hits with the hand.
She hits with the hand. Okay. Fine. Meera Mahodaya, second one.
Janakaha ghatena pibati.
Uttamam. What does that mean?
Father drinks with the pot.
Drinks with the pot. Okay. Rachana Mahodaya. Aham. So 1 second. So whenever the karta is aham, the kriya pada will end with what?
Me.
So there is only
Khadami.
one word with me. So khadami. So you are like a simple now. Pick one word from here.
Aham hastena khadami.
Aham hastena khadami. What does that mean?
I'm eating with my hand.
I'm eating with my hand. Ranjani Mahodaya. Drupaha. Drupa is a king. Drupaha is a king. I cannot hear you.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Okay,
perfect. So, Drupaha Rathena Pujayati.
Okay, what does that mean?
He's doing puja to the Ratha.
Not do. Rathena means?
With. Okay. Oh, that's right. Yeah, that's not right. That isn't. Yeah, Drupaha. Drupaha Dandena Thadayati.
Drupaha Dandena Thadayati. What does that mean?
That means the king is using the stick to hit. Right?
With the stick. Beats with a stick. If he chose Rathaha, Drupaha, Rathena, is there any Kriya Pada here that matches? There is one.
ताडयति गच्छति.
Gacchati. What does that mean?
The king is taking the, with Ratha. He's going. Gachati is going, right?
Gachati is going. So the king goes with or by Ratha. By Ratha.
Also, that can be used for by also, the same ena.
By or with, whatever is appropriate.
Okay.
Sri Vidya Mahodaya, we found one example here. Rathena Gachati, for by. I will show you other examples. Prashant Mahodaya.
It's then Sah. Sa Ghaten Jalam Anayati.
Say this again. Saha
Ghaten.
Ghatena.
Ghatena.
Ghatena. So look at all of these words. There is no halanta. So we have to say the full word. Saha Ghatena. Ghatena.
Jalam Anayati.
What does that mean?
He brings the water in a pot. By the pot.
With a pot. With a pot. In a pot, what would it have been? In Ghataha.
I don't remember.
Ghate. Ghate. That's how you mix and match and learn. Uttamam. Whose turn is it next? Surendra Mahodaya. Devaha.
Devaha bhaktena pujayati.
Uttamam. What does that mean?
It is the reverse actually.
Yeah.
How? Devaha.
God is God is worshipped by with no, not like that.
By a bhakta.
By a bhakta. God is worshipped by a bhakta.
So by a bhakta, how would you say?
Bhakte.
Bhaktena.
Bhaktena. Devaha bhaktena.
Chamasaha chamasena bhaktaha bhaktena.
Oh my God. Yes. Devaha bhaktena pujayati, right.
So what does that mean?
God is worshipped by bhakta.
By a bhakta.
By a bhakta. Yes.
Uttam. Spashtam. Is this clear? Anybody have questions? So Sri Vidya Mahodaya, we found two examples. We'll find others.
Question, Mahodaya. You
Yes,
said Devaha Bhaktena Pujayati, right?
That's what we said. Devaha Bhaktena Pujayati.
But when you say the translation or the meaning, Devaha with devotion, worship, right?
There is devotion coming. Bhaktaha, Bhaktena. What does Bhaktena mean?
With devotion.
No. What is Bhaktaha?
I mean, if you take it as a kartru, it's different, right? But when you want to say Bhaktena,
No. Okay. Before we go there, what does Bhaktaha mean?
Devotee.
It's a person, right?
Right.
And it's not devotion, it's a devotee. It's a person. So if you want to say by the devotee, how would you say? Bhaktena. Bhaktaha becomes Bhaktena.
So you want to say Bhaktaha Bhaktena Pujayati, I mean Devaha Bhaktena Pujayati, that's correct, right?
Saha hastena khadati. So hastena with hand. Saha he khadati eats. So devaha bhaktena by devotee pujayati is done puja.
Okay, it's still with, right? Not like by. Is it also by?
By, right? Okay, so this is where English has its limitation, but
Yeah.
think of it as the relationship between Deva and Bhakta here. What is the relationship? One is there, the other is worshipped by the second person.
Oh, I see. Okay. Dhanyavada.
Bhanu Mahodaya, I think Bhageshwari Mahodaya is asking about if it is bhakti. She is confused it for bhakti. With bhakti they worship that.
Oh, evam va.
So bhakti as another form. I think it's bhaktina or something like Harina.
But I also felt the meaning Mahodaya as like God is worshipping Bhakta.
Okay, no,
Actually,
I
my understanding.
No, I
of this
understand. But okay. No, I understand what Meera Mahodaya is saying. This is bhaktaha, not bhaktihi. Bhaktihi is devotion. Then God is worshipped with devotion. That makes sense. But here it is bhaktaha, right? Bhaktaha is a devotee. It's a person. So the God by a person is worshipped.
Bhanu Mahoday, in this the pujayati means worship or worshipping, right? So that worshipped is that is also causing the confusion, because first I thought they were worshipping or they were worships. So then like it becomes bhaktam automatically first. So that's where the confusion is coming.
Correct.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
I was also a little confused on that.
Okay.
only.
I see. Okay, I understand. I will change that example.
It's Vartamana Kala only, no?
Okay, fine. I will change the example, but other than this example, are the other examples clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Other examples are active voice, and this is from passive voice.
You are correct. I realize that now.
So we can change that sentence. Devaha dandena tadayati.
Right. I mixed up active and passive voices. That is correct. I will change the example. So the question form is kena. We said the question form is kena. So if the answer is balika chamasena khadati, the girl eats with a spoon, then the question form would be balika kena khadati. What does by what or with what the girl eats? Balika kena khadati. Same way, the other example we had was Janani Deepena Pujayati, Janani Kena Pujayati. By what is the mother doing the puja? Last one, by what is the Sikshakaha writing? So Sikshakaha Kena Likhati. The answer would be Sikshakaha Sudha Khandena Likhati. Spashtam? Prashnaha santi va? अस्तु अग्रे गच्छामः स्त्रीलिङ्गे रीना महोदय प्लीज रीड द फर्स्ट वन रीना महोदय स्क्रीन इज फ्रोजन Hemanti Mahoday.
छात्रः द्विचक्रिकया गच्छति. Student goes by a bicycle.
There is a typo here. It shouldn't be students. It should be students. Astu. So, Chhatrah Dvichakrikaya Gacchati. The student goes by a bicycle because we are talking about Strilinga and Dvichakrika means a bicycle. Akaranta Strilinga. Dvichakrika. So, Dvichakrika becomes Dvichakrikaya. Reena Mahoday, are you back? Okay. Manjula Mahoday, please do the second one.
Yes, I'm there. Okay.
We'll get to you after Manjula Mahoday.
Mahila Malaya Alankaroti. The woman with a garland. Malaya.
No, please read this again.
Mahila Malaya. Sorry.
Malaya.
Alankaroti.
Alankaroti. So Mala became Malaya. Dvichakrika became Dvichakrikaya. Reena Mahoday, last one.
Balika Lekhanya Likhati. Lekhanya.
So Lekhanya. So here it's a E-karanta Strilinga, right? Lekhani. So Lekhani becomes Lekhanya. So Dvichakrika becomes Dvichakrikaya. Mala becomes Malaya. Lekhani becomes Lekhanya. Dvichakrika, Dvichakrikaya, Mala, Malaya, Lekhani, Lekhanya. Same thing. Vijay Sundaram Mahoday, please start us off.
Bhavan.
So, when we have Bhavan, the Kriya Padam is usually based on what we have learned so far. It will end in
Bhavane.
Kriya Padam in this table, in this box. Kriya Padam will end in Bhavan Pathatu, Bhavan Khadatu, Bhavan Likhatu. So it ends in U.
Bhavan Likhatu is there.
Bhavan Likhatu is there. So your job has become very easy. You got one word. There is only one choice here. So Likhatu. So pick.
Bhavan Ankani.
So Ankani will become Ankanya. Just like Lekhani became Lekhanya, Ankani will become Ankanya.
Bhavan Ankanya Likhatu.
What does that mean?
You write with the pen.
You write with a pen or a pencil, whatever it is. Come on. Srividya Mahoday.
Rangavalya. Karamaha.
So
Rangavalya.
Wait, Mahoday. So when will a Kriya Padam have a Maha ending?
Vayam.
No. Please answer this. When will Kriya Pada have a Maha?
We will do or we.
In Sanskrita, we is what?
Vayam.
Vayam.
So when it is the Karta will be Vayam. So it is. This is not the answer.
Okay.
So
Sa Rangavalya. Rangavalya Alankaroti.
Uttamam. Sa Rangavalya Alankaroti.
Alankaroti.
What does that mean?
She is decorating with Rangoli.
Uttamam. He decorates with a Rangavalli. Uttamam. Ramu Mahodaya.
जननी वेलन्याः रोटिकां पचति.
Janani, can you say, repeat this? Velani becomes?
वेलन्या
Uttamam.
रोटिका पचति.
Lekhani becomes Lekhanya. Velani becomes Velanya. Janani Velanya rotikam pachati. What does that mean?
Mother cooks roti with that velani.
Rolling thing.
Rolling.
Uttamam. Savita Mahodaya, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir. Rugnaha Vaidyaya Chikitsam Prapnoti.
Uttamam. Rugnaha Vaidyaya Chikitsam Prapnoti. What does that mean?
Patient is getting treatment from doctor.
Vaidya from a female doctor. Uttamam.
By a doctor or
by a doctor. Somebody else had a question?
It was Rachna.
Yes, Rachna Mahodaya. What was the question?
Now, Vaidya should be Vaidyena.
Vaidya. Vaidya is what? Vaidya. Akaranta Strilinga.
Oh, so it is.
Lady doctor.
Yeah.
So it is Strilinga. Mala became Malaya. So Vaidya becomes
Okay. Yes.
Vaidyaya. So when will it be Vaidyena?
If it was Vaidyaha, male doctor.
Uttamam. When it was if it was Vaidyaha, male doctor, it would have been Vaidyena. But here it is Vaidya, female doctor, so Vaidyaya.
Okay. Yes. Thank you. Dhanyawad.
Ratnakar Mahodaya.
Vayam Naukaya. No, I'm just checking what is the correct verb.
So when the word in the karta is Vayam, Kriya will end with Maha.
Oh, Tara Maha. Okay.
So you can blindly do words like Vayam. So when the karta is Vayam, Kriya will end in Maha. When the karta is Ham, what will the Kriya end in, Mahodaya?
Karomi.
Me. It ends in me. So Vayam.
But Tara Maha, I forgot the meaning of Tara Maha actually.
Tara Maha, we cross.
Sorry, yeah.
Cross.
Okay. Aham Naukaya Taramaha. Taramaha. Vayam Naukaya Taramaha.
If it was Aham, karta was Aham.
Aham Naukaya Tarami.
Tarami, Uttamam.
So what is Naukaya or Naukaya?
Naukaya.
Mala became Malaya. So Nauka becomes
Naukaya.
We crossed using the boat.
Crossed or crossing? Vartamana kala.
Vartamana. We are crossing using the boat.
We cross or we are crossing with a boat or by a boat.
Yeah. So only crossing will come right now. We got Vartamana.
Astu. Who didn't get a chance? Can you speak up? Who's that? Oh, Arvind Mahodaya, last one. Arvind Mahodaya, can you see the screen?
Yeah, I can hear you, Mahodaya.
Vadatu Mahodaya, last one. Saha.
Saha. Gati. Samaya Jananati.
Yeah, Samayam Janati. So Ghati will become look here. Lekhani becomes Lekhanya. So Ghati will become. Are you still there? We lost it. Okay, who else didn't get a chance? Please speak up. I can't see everybody at once. Okay. Bhag.
Saha Ghatya Samayam Janati.
Saha Ghatya Samayam Janati. What does that mean?
He is looking time. He's knowing the time by clock.
He knows the time with a clock or by a clock. Uttama. So the question form for Strilinga will be Kaya. So I want to show something first. So for Pumlinga, the word became Chamasena, Deepena, Khandena, and the question is also Kena. So there is a rhyme here. Chamasena and Kena, Deepena, Kena. There is a match. There is a rhyme. So same way, Dvichakrikaya, Chhatraha Dvichakrikaya Gacchati. So instead of Kena, the question will be Kaya. Kaya. Chhatraha Kaya Gacchati. What does, how or by or with what does the student go? Chhatraha Dvichakrikaya Gacchati. Mahila Kaya Alankaroti. By what does the Mahila decorate? Mahila Malaya Alankaroti. She decorates with a mala, a garland. Balika Kaya Likhati. With what does the girl write? Balika Lekhanya Likhati. With a pen she writes. So Kaya Lekhanya, Kaya Malaya, Kaya Dvichakrikaya. There is a rhyme there. Prashnaha santi va? Questions, anybody? So let's look at Napumsakalinga now. The Napumsakalinga form again follows the same pattern as a Pumlinga, just like in the previous class. Surendra Mahodaya.
Balakaha Kandukena Kridanti. The children play with the ball.
With the ball. Why Kandukena? Because the original word is ball.
Kandukaha.
Kandukam. Napumsakam. Kandukam. So Kandukam becomes Kandukena. Shekhar Mahodaya. Second one.
भक्तः दुग्धेन शिवं पूजयति. Bhakta plays Shiva with milk.
With milk, dugdhena. Dugdham becomes dugdhena. So bhaktaha dugdhena shivam pujayati. So the bhakta does abhishekam to Shiva with milk, or does puja to Shiva with milk. Arvind Mahodaya, read the last one.
Mahodaya, the spelling is wrong. It's Kurvanti, right? Third line.
Yeah, Kurvanti. Spelling is wrong. Correct. I'm missing that ra. Arvind Mahodaya, please read.
Vimanena prayanam kuruvanti. Sorry, Mahodaya, because last time my laptop just got shut down. So.
Don't worry. Janaha vimanena prayanam kurvanti.
Okay, Mahodaya.
People travel by plane. So, if you want to say by plane, it will be vimanena. Because the original word is vimanam. Vimanam is plane. Vimanam becomes vimanena. So, kandukam becomes kandukena, dugdham becomes dugdhena, vimanam becomes vimanena. Is this clear?
Mahodaya, in that previous slide, Janaha Vimanena Prayanam Kurvanti. So the same thing, if you need to ask as a question.
You tell me.
Janaha Kena Prayanam Kurvanti?
Uttamam. Same thing. Pumlinga and Napunsakalinga are the same thing. Janaha Kena Prayanam Kurvanti.
Okay.
Reena Mahodaya, if you want to convert this to question, how would you do that?
Bhaktaha dugdhena Shiva pujayati.
So, if you don't know it is with dugdhena, how would we ask the question?
Bhaktaha kena Shiva pujayati.
Bhaktaha kena Shivam pujayati. With what or by what does the bhakta do puja for Shiva? Uttama. Sumitra Mahodaya. First, convert that to question.
This balakaha. Balakaha kandukena kridanti. Balakaha kena kridanti.
What does that mean?
With the kids, the children are playing with what?
With what do the children play, or what are they playing with? Uttama.
I have one doubt. The na will, does the ending na, does it follow the na rule, that na or na? Like kandukena, when it is comes like Ramaha, Ramena.
I didn't follow your question, Mahodaya.
Does that the ending that na is there, right? That does it follow the na, that rule? Na, what is that?
It's called
Natvam. Yeah, Natvam.
Correct. It will follow the Natvam rule. Correct.
Okay. Dhanyawad.
Vijay Neenan Mahodaya. Let us do the abhyasa. Please start us off.
Okay. Chhatra. Chhatra Lokayanena Vidyalayam Gachati.
Uttamam. What does that mean?
Student is going to school by vehicle or
bus. Bus is
local. Yeah, public transport. Maybe public bus.
Public transport. Lokayanam means bus. Uttama. Sandeep Mahodaya.
Aham Sanganakenam Kena Sandesham Preshyami.
Yeah, why you pick this Kriya Padam, Mahodaya?
Because of aham to Preshyami, one only.
Aham will have a Kriya Padam will we have a me and me. Uttamam. Please say the sentence again.
Aham sanganakena sandesham preshyami.
What does that mean?
I got the message from by the computer.
Preshayami means to sending.
Send. Achha, sorry, I sent the message by a computer.
Preshayami means I am sending. Hemanti Mahoday. Bhavati. So what will your kriya end in?
Tu.
Tu. Uttamam. Bhavati.
Bhavati nanakena krinatu.
Uttamam. Bhavati nanakena krinatu. What does that mean?
You buy with money.
You buy with money or with a coin, more specifically.
Coin. Okay. Nanakam. Coin. Okay.
Nanakam is coin. Bhagya Mahoday.
Saha pustakena patayati.
Saha pustakena patayati. What does that mean?
He reads from the book.
Pathayati. Not
he teaches, right?
Teaches. Pathati is reads. Pathayati is teaches.
Teaches.
Teaches with a book. Uttam. Prashant Mahoday.
Yes. Mahila patram malam gumfati. Patren, sorry.
Patrena.
Rena.
So I think sutram will be more appropriate. Malam gumfati means what?
To make a that mala, making a mala.
Gumfati is more specifically stringing along something.
Yes.
So yeah, patrena is also fine. He uses patras, a leaf, to make a mala. That is fine. I think among the given words, sutram will be more appropriate. So,
yes.
If you choose
Mahila Sutren. Mahila Sutren Malam Gumfati.
Mahila Sutrena Malam Gumfati.
Sutrena.
Manjula Mahoday.
Shikshakaha Sutram Patayati.
Yeah, we have to convert this into a by or with form, right? Everything in the middle box has to get converted. Shikshakaha Sutram Pathayati, that is correct. He is teaching some sutram, some formula, that is correct. But here we are transforming this into by or with form.
Sutrena Patayati, does it go correct?
Correct only. It will go. He teaches with a formula, with a sutra. Correct.
Then can I say Shikshaka Sutrena Vidyalayam Gacchati?
How? What does sutrena mean?
Sutram means?
It can mean a string, or it can mean a formula, like Panini Sutras. So how does he go to the school with the sutra?
It doesn't go. I didn't
know. Another thing will go is Pathayati. Sutrena Pathayati.
Mahodaya. Lokanyam Vidyalaya Gacchati.
Lokayanena Vidyalayam Gacchati. That will go. Shikshakaha Lokayanena Vidyalayam Gacchati. Shikshakaha Sutrena Pathayati. Shikshakaha Pustakena Pathayati. All of those things can be made.
Can we say like Shikshakaha Sankanakena Karyam Karoti?
Shikshakaha Sanganakena Karyam Karoti. What does that mean?
The students are working through the computer. With the computer. Shikshakaha, like the teacher.
Shikshakaha is teacher, not student.
Okay. The teacher is working with the computer.
working with a computer. Correct.
And another one, this one, Saha Patrena Sandesham Preshyati. Sorry, Aham Patrena Sandesham Preshayami.
What does that mean?
I'm sending the message with a letter, or by the letter.
Correct. Aham Patrena Sandesham Preshayami. I am sending a message with a letter or by a letter. Correct. That is also possible. There is no one-to-one answer. There are many possibilities. All right. Before we do a comprehensive abhyasa, any questions? No? Everybody understood this? All right. Uttamam. If I have not called your name, please let me know, because I cannot see everybody at once. So I am at a disadvantage here. So just speak up if I have not called your name. Astu, Usha Mahodaya, please start us off.
बालकः पदेन गच्छति.
पादेन गच्छति.
पादेन गच्छति.
उत्तमम्. Chalati gachati. Fine. We said walk, so chalati is appropriate, but goes, but yeah, padena, that is the key word here. Srividya Mahodaya.
वृद्धः कुपेन जलं पिबति.
Who's the karta here?
Vriddaha.
What is the kriya pada here?
Drinks pibati.
Vriddaha
Jalam pibati.
First, get the combination of the karta and kriya, and then you add everything else. Then you will not go wrong. So, Vriddaha is the karta.
Vriddaha jalam pibati.
Vriddaha pibati. You got that. And then add everything else. He is drinking water, so jalam. Then
cup.
Kupi.
Kupena.
Kupi. Strilinga. Oh, sorry. Cup is chashaka.
Chashakena. Vriddaha chashakena jalam pibati.
Uttamam. Vriddaha chashakena jalam pibati. Uttamam. So always when you are making a sentence, pick the karta and then pick the kriya. Then you will get a one-to-one correspondence, because if the karta is aham, the kriya will end in me. If the karta is vayam, the kriya will end in maha. Otherwise, it will end in si or anti, depending on ekavachana or bahuvachana. Then you will never go wrong in making your sentence. So first get the karta and karma down. First form a sentence with those, and then everything else is extra. Viraj Mahodaya.
Mother Janani. Kriyapada is spanks.
Tadayati. Let us say Tadayati.
Janani Putram Hastena Tadayati.
Uttamam. Janani Putram Hastena Tadayati. Or Balakam. Fine. Same thing. Chaitra Mahodaya.
The woman, Mahila, carries is
Nayati.
Nayati. Okay, Nayati. Then money is Dhanam. Bag is Syutaha. So the sentence would be Janani. Mahila Dhanam स्यूतेन
नयति
नयति
न उत्तमं जननी और महिला स्यूतेन धनं नयति उत्तमम् उत्तमम् नारायणन् महोदय
सा
so karta is she so sa cuts is the kriya pada so what is cuts
katriyati
kartayati
knife is chaku, right?
chaku is in Hindi. Samskrite kim asti churika
सा चुरिकेन
आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग छुरिका
चुरिका ओके इट इज स्त्रीलिंग सा चुरिकाया
Is it churikaya or churikaya?
Churikaya.
Vegetable.
Shakam.
Shakam
kartayati.
Shakani. We learned it as
vegetable. Shakani, correct.
Shakani. Karma padam, right? So shakani.
Plural. Bahuvachana.
So sa churikaya with a knife. Shakani vegetables kartayati cuts. Astu. Meera Mahoday.
aham.
So your kriya pada will end in
me.
Open.
Open.
Okay, we will come to that. If you don't remember that or don't know, ignore that. Lock. Karma padam. Lock, right?
Thala.
Talam.
Talam. So it will be with the key. So
key is what?
Key is kunchika. Kunchika. So kunchikaya. Kunchikaya. Aham kunchikaya talam.
Udghatayami. Aham kunchikaya talam udghatayami. Talam. My mistake. It's not talam. Not talam. Talam. My mistake. Aham kunchikaya talam udghatayami. Vijay Menon Mahoday.
Infant drinks milk with a bottle. Infant.
Artha kim asti atra?
Infant. Infant is not balaka. Shishuhu. Okay. Shishuhu drinks pibati.
Shishuhu pibati.
Pibati. Milk is dugda. Dugdam. And bottle is kupi, correct?
Uttamam.
Okay. So Shishuhu.
No, first convert this bottle into this a bottle.
That is kupya.
Kupya, nadi, nadya, kupi, kupya.
Kupya. So Shishuhu kupya dugdam pibati.
Uttamam. Shishuhu kupya dugdam pibati.
Okay, kupya.
Kavita Mahoday.
Bhimaha Gadaya.
Gada is a akaranta strilinga.
Gadaya. Fighting. What is for fighting, Mahodaya?
Yuddham karoti.
Yuddham karoti. Bhimaha Gadaya Yuddham karoti.
Bhimaha Gadaya Yuddham karoti. Uttamam.
Here that Gadena it will not come?
Because it's akaranta strilinga. That is why Gadaya. Ranjani Mahoday. Ranjani Mahoday, are you still there? Okay. Ratnakar Mahoday.
Yeah. The old woman sees with the spectacles. Old woman, can we say Vruddha? Yeah. Vruddha Pashyati. Sees Vruddha Pashyati and with spectacles. Upanetrena. Vruddha Upanetrena Pashyati.
Uttamam. Vruddha Upanetrena Pashyati. Upanetram Napumsakalinga Shabda. So it will become Upanetrena.
So, Mahodaya, one question here. So Vruddha is the karta, karma, karta kriya, right? So the pashyati is a kriya padam. So Vruddha, what is a kartu pradam here?
Vruddha, she is doing the action, right? She is seeing. So
yeah.
Karta is Vruddha.
Okay. And Upanetrena, what do we call that?
It's just a, there is no karma. We are not saying what she sees. We are just saying she sees. So if he had said Balakam Pashyati, then Balakam becomes karma. So there is no karma here.
Oh, okay.
Not every sentence will have a karma pada.
Okay. And there is no word for the corresponding.
There is. We will talk. We will learn about that when we do grammar.
Okay. Yeah.
For now, let us not introduce too many technical terms. Madhuri Mahoday.
She sa pujayati. Sa pushpena deva pujayati.
What? Please repeat.
Sa pushpena devam pujayati.
Sa pushpena devam pujayati. Uttama. Manjula Mahoday.
We speak. Mahoday. I have a question about flowers. So, Pushpa becomes Pushpani. So, Pushpani will still become Pushpena?
I don't know at what point you joined, Mahoday. So, Pushpani. So, we are learning today a form for by or with, for specifying by or with. So, she is not worshipping flowers, she is worshipping with flowers.
Right.
So, Sa Pushpani Pujayati means she is worshipping flowers, but we want to say with flowers. So, Pushpani becomes Pushpena, Pushpam becomes Pushpena, Ekavachana.
Okay. Thank you.
No, I think she's asking flower, Ekavachanam and Bhagavachanam. Flowers, it is flowers means it is Bhagavachanam, right? So she's asking for the.
That's what you are asking. Okay. I understand. My mistake. Flower. Is that what was your question, Mahodaya?
Yes, correct.
Okay. Sorry, I misunderstood your question. Now, Pushpena, Ekavachan.
Thank you.
We haven't seen Bahuvachana, so I didn't do that.
Okay. These are all typos I should have thought. Okay. Manjula Mahodaya.
Bhanu Mahodaya, I had a question. So for praise, could we also use namati here?
Namati. Namati is also fine. But usually namati means namaskaram karoti is namati. But yeah, in this context, you can use namati. Nothing wrong with that.
Dhanyavad.
Go ahead, Manjula Mahodaya.
Speak with mouth.
We is
The karta.
So we becomes we in Sanskrita. Aham is me. Vayam is we.
Vayam.
Speak
is kriya.
Speak is kriya. Vadati. He speaks means vadati. So we speak will become
Vayam. Mouth is
mukham. Mouth is mukham.
correct.
Yeah.
Vayam mukhena. What is speaking?
Vadati. Vadati is he speaks. So we speak will become
Vayam mukhena vadati. Is that
vadati?
correct?
Vadati is you use it when somebody else is doing it, not us. If I am speaking, aham vadami. So vayam
Vadamaha.
Vayam vadamaha. Vayam mukhena vadamaha. Ramu Mahodaya.
Play with the ball.
You, here you.
You all. Vayam.
Vayam is we.
Okay.
Vayam, you. Bhavan.
Avam.
No. You is Bhavan or Bhavati.
Okay.
You are.
Bhavan Kandukena Kridati.
Kridatu. You.
Kridatu. Okay.
That is Ekavachanam. In Bahuvachanam, here we have you all. So Bahuvachanam.
Kridati. Kridanti.
No, when you are asking somebody to do something or when you are requesting somebody to do something, Agnya Prarthana form. You have to use Agnya Prarthana form. So Kridati is he plays.
Okay.
Or he plays. You play. What does
Kridish. Kridishyati.
That is in the future. Bhavishyat kala. Kridatu.
Kridatu.
Kridatu, likhatu, khadatu. You do something. So in Bahuvachana, Kridatu will become
Kridantu.
Kridantu. So you all become Bhavantaha. Bhavantaha Kandukena Kridantu.
Kridantu. Dhanyavad.
Is this clear? Any questions?
So Mahodaya, where we don't know the gender, so there we use Bhavan, Bhavantaha.
Usually if you don't know the linga, or if it's a mixed, there is one boy and many girls, or 10 boys and one girl, it's usually taken Pumlinga, taken as Pumlinga.
Okay. So if it is females, then if you don't know, it is by default Bhavan, Bhavantaha.
Bhavan, Bhavantaha. If you know, if it is Strilinga, if it is all Balikas,
Bhavati.
Bhavati. Bahuvachana?
Bhavatyaha.
Bhavatyaha. Bhavatyaha Kandukena Kridantu. You all women play with the ball. Any other question? This is all very confusing. Are we going too fast? Please let me know. We will do more and more abhyasas till this gets settled in the mind. But as of now, let me know if something is confusing.
Bhanu Mahadaya, can you repeat the difference between Bhavantaha and Bhavatyaha, please?
Bhavantaha is Bhavan means you, referring to a male, right? Bhavan. Bhavantaha is the Bahuvachana form of that, plural. Bhavantaha, you all men. Here, we just said you all. We didn't specify the linga. We didn't say the gender. So, when there is no gender specified, we will use the Pullinga form only, Bhavantaha.
Okay.
Or if it is a mixed group, one man and many women, or many men, one woman, if it's a mixed group, it will still use the Pullinga form, Bhavantaha.
Okay. Bhavatyaha, when do you use?
Bhavati, what is Bhavati?
Pullinga.
Strilinga.
Ikaranta Strilinga.
Ikaranta Strilinga. You, pointing to a woman. You. Bhavati means you, a woman, referring to a woman. So, Bahuvachanam of Bhavati is Bhavatyaha. You all women.
Okay, thank you.
Bhavatyaha Kandukena Kridantu. All of you women, please play with the ball or play with the ball.
Okay.
Bhanu Mahadaya,
Dhanyavada.
when do you use Bhavantaha or Bhavatyaha, or you use Yuyam?
Bhavantaha is used when we are talking to a group of men or boys, Pumlinga.
Yuyam also? Can we not use Yuyam?
No, we haven't studied that.
Okay, got it.
We will study that in a later class. Yeah, you can use Yuyam also.
Okay, thank you.
Other questions? No? Shall we study a new topic, or do you want to do a revision?
I think we should end.
Any preference? Yes, no, nobody wants to say anything.
Can move forward, Mahodaya.
Mahodaya, any Subhashitam?
Subhashitam. Uttamam. Viraj Mahodaya, pathatu. Krupaya pathatu.
Astu. Danena tulyam suhurdasti nanyo lobhacha nanyosti ripuhu prithvyam vibhushanam sheelasamam na chanyat santosha-tulyam dhanamasti nanyat.
Danena tulyam suhrudasti nanyo lobhacha nanyosti ripuhu prithvyam vibhushanam sheelasamam na chanyat santosha-tulyam dhanamasti nanyat. Danena. So what is Danena, Viraj Mahodaya?
Danena is to give or kind of. So with or by.
With Danam. Tulyam. Tulyam is
compare,
equivalent. Equivalent or similar. We have that, right? Tula in Hindi and many languages we use Tula. So it comes from Samskrita. Tulyam. Suhrudasti. Suhruda asti. Suhrud is friend. Suhruda asti. There is friend is there. Suhridah asti, friend is there. Nanyo, so this is nanyo because of sandhi. Na anyaha. Anyaha means
Anya is the other person.
other. Anyaha, na anyaha. So it becomes nanyo. So danena tulyam suhridasti nanyo nanyaha. So with danam or by danam tulyam, if you measure, suhrida asti na anyaha. There is no other friend like danam. Danena with danam tulyam equivalent. Suhridaha friend asti is na anyaha. No other.
Dane means
Hmm?
Danena.
Danena with dana.
With wealth mean?
Hmm?
With wealth?
No, with dana. We just studied Ramena, Balakena. So danena, with danam or by danam. Meera Mahoday, let's break the second sentence.
लोभाच नान्योस्ति रिपुः पृथिव्याम्. लोभाच
Lobhat cha is
with and
lobhat cha na anyaha.
Lobha is greed.
Lobha is greed.
Na anya asti.
Na anya asti. Ripuhu, we have seen ripuhu before.
Enemy.
Ripu is enemy.
Enemy.
Prithvivyam, in this earth, on this earth.
On this earth, Prithvivyam, Prithvi, Ikaranta Strilinga, Prithvi, Prithvivyam, right? We have seen this form. Prithvivyam, Nadi,
On, in or on.
Correct. Nadi, Nadyam, Prithvi, Prithvivyam.
Yes.
So, Lobhat cha na anya
asti ripuhu prithvivyam. So there is no other enemy in this earth other than lobha, greed.
Uttamam. So by danam, with danam, there is no other friend equivalent to danam. There is no other enemy equivalent to greed on this earth. Uttamam. Chaitra Mahoday. Let's break the third sentence.
Vibhushanam Shila Samam Na Chanyat.
So Chanyat is cha anyat.
Cha anyat. So Vibhushanam, it's like an ornament. And Shila Samam. So Shila, something like a character.
Shila is character.
So Samam equivalent to, right?
Correct.
So no, so cha, I think it is cha anyat.
Cha anyat. Anyat. So we saw anyaha, anyat. That's the Napumsakalinga form.
Yeah, so no other ornament equivalent to a character, I mean to a good character.
Uttama. Sandeep Mahodaya, let's break down the last sentence.
Last is Santoshaha tulyam dhanamam asti na anyat. So there is no other wealth like Santosh, contentment.
Santosha tulyam, equivalent to Santosha. Dhanam asti, wealth is there. Na anyat, not there, not other. So there is no
other dhanam, wealth, equivalent to Santosha.
Uttama. Usha Mahoday, all together, what is this Subhashita saying?
There is no friend like wealth. There is
Wealth.
Dhanam.
Danam. Danam. Not dhanam. Danam.
Giving, generosity.
Okay, got that wrong. There is no wealth like donating, like giving.
Not wealth. Suhruda, friend.
Oh Lord. Okay. So there is danena tulyam. So there is no wealth like a good friend, is it?
No. There is no friend equivalent to Danam.
Oh, there is no friend.
Suhrudaha asti. Suhruda asti. So the friend is there. Na anyaha is not no other. So there is no friend, no other friend equivalent to Danam.
Danam. Okay.
Danam, not Dhanam.
Okay.
Donation, you mean?
There is
Donation.
Charity.
Charity.
Okay. And there is no enemy equivalent on this earth equivalent to greed.
Correct.
And there is no decoration or ornament equivalent to a good character. And there is no wealth. Is it wealth equal to sandosham, happiness? Is it? Yes.
Uttama.
Okay.
Mahodaya, I had a question. Why is it Danena and not Danam?
Danena tulyam, by
Comparison, is it?
By Danam, Danena tulyam, by Danam, equivalent by Danam. There is no friend other than there is no friend, there is no other friend other than what you get by Danam.
Na anyam, anya, suharda asti, danena tulyam.
Danena tulyam. So I think one of the rules is when you use tulyam, probably you have to use the ena form, the kena form.
No, but santosha is not in that form then.
Santosha.
The last line is santosha tulyam. It was not santoshena tulyam.
But this is one word. These are two different words. So that also makes a difference.
Oh, okay.
By giving danam, it's in a way some format of an instrument, like through giving danam.
Please repeat, Mahodaya. You were breaking up.
Sorry, I think there's a mic issue on the laptop. But what I mean to say, for dana, it could be through the act of giving danam. So it's in some form of an instrument of doing that you are equating to a friend, I think.
Yeah, we can. Okay. Fair enough.
Point here, Mahodaya.
Please go ahead, Rama Mahodaya.
An aside point here, instead of lobasya nanyasti ripi prithivyam, there's a Hasya Kavi says that there is no better person than a Lobi.
Why is that?
Because he donates all his things without even consuming anything for himself. He is so unselfish. So he is the best man to the world.
Correct. Sadly, that danam happens after his death. Okay, Srividya Mahodaya, you were going to present a write-up that you had. Are you, by any chance, do you have it ready?
Ready.
Huh?
Write up. Yes, I am ready, Mahodaya.
1 second, let me pull it up. Can everybody see my screen?
Yes.
So this is a write-up that Srividya Mahodaya had done. Please go ahead, Mahodaya.
Namaskaram. Mayuram Nagaram. Mama Nama Srividya Sudhakaranah. Aham api asmakam nagarasya विषये व्याख्यानं कर्तुम् इच्छामि. मम नगरस्य नाम मायूरम् अथवा मयिलाडुतुरै. एतत् तमिळ्नाडुराज्ये नविष्टं मण्डलम्. एतत् कावेरी नदीतीरे अस्ति. कावेरी नदी इतः 20 सहस्रमानदूरे समुद्रं प्रविशति. अत्र श्री अभयाम्बिका समेतं श्री मयूरनाथस्वामी देवालयं प्रथमः.
One second, Mahodaya. Please mute yourself. There is a dog barking somewhere in the back.
Yes, it's my pet.
Oh, it's yours only. Okay, go ahead.
एतत् अत्र श्री अभयाम्बिका समेतं श्री मयूरनाथस्वामी देवालयं प्रथमः. श्री मेधा दक्षिणामूर्तिः देवालयम् अपि अत्र प्रसिद्धः. भगवान् नारायणस्य मन्दिरं च अस्ति. अस्मिन् मन्दिरे प्रथमः मूर्तिः श्री परिमल रङ्गनाथः. अत्र मुख्य उत्सवं कावेरी पुष्करम् अथवा तुला उत्सवम्. एतत् उत्सवं तुला मासे आगच्छति. एतत् समये गंगा यमुना सरस्वती कावेरी च नद्यः अत्र वहति इति जनाः विश्वसन्ति. उत्तरभारते कुम्भमेला एतस्य समानम्. एतत् समये कावेरी नद्यां स्नानम् अति उत्तमम्.
Uttama Mahodaya, धन्यवादः. So she, very nice. She is talking about her town Mayura Nagaram. Mayuram Nagaram. Very nice. So please come forward and write such write-ups or do a sambhashana like we had the last time. I think next week Hemanti Mahodaya and team are doing a presentation, and after that Bala Mahodaya and team are doing. But I would also request the rest of you to come forward and do this. This is a very good exercise. It will help you write longer sentences. It will help you correct your mistakes. So please practice and reach out to Meera Mahodaya to coordinate this. And Srividya Mahodaya, please send this file to Meera Mahodaya. She will upload it to a Google folder. That folder is shared with all of you, so you can all see what is there. And the morning batch also has several other sambhashanas like this and essays like this. So go check those out also. See what other students are writing and learn from them.
Okay.
Astu. Samapayamaha. Manjula Mahodaye. Kripaya Mangala Shlokam Vadatu. Everybody else, please meet yourself.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadacchati पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवा अवशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम गुरुभ्यो नमः।
गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम।
धन्यवादः। धन्यवादः सर्वेभ्यः। शुभरात्रि।
धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः महोदय।
धन्यवादः महोदय।
धन्यवाद महोदय।